Hey everyone! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we explore fun and creative ways to enhance our well-being. Today, I'm diving into a super exciting topic: art therapy you can do right at home. It's a fantastic way to tap into your creative side and find some peace amidst the chaos of daily life. And guess what? You don't need any fancy skills or equipment, just some paper and paint. It's all about expressing yourself and having fun. First off, why art therapy? You might be wondering what makes it so special. Well, it's a fantastic way to unwind and express yourself. It allows you to channel your emotions and thoughts into something tangible and beautiful. Whether you're feeling anxious, stressed, or just blah, splashing some colors around can really help lift your mood. It's like giving your mind a break and letting your creativity take over. Plus, it's like a mini vacation for your mind. So let's get started and explore some simple yet effective art therapy techniques. Grab some paper. It can be anything from printer paper to an old notebook. The type of paper doesn't matter. What matters is that you have a surface to create on. And for paint, you can use watercolors, acrylics, or even those old finger paints you have lying around. The idea is to use what you have and not stress about getting the perfect supplies. No need to get fancy here, folks. The beauty of art therapy is in its simplicity and accessibility. Now, a great way to start is with some free painting. This means just letting your brush dance across the paper without any specific plan or goal. Just let your brush dance across the paper. Feel the freedom in each stroke and let your imagination run wild. Don't think too much about it. Let your emotions guide you. If you're feeling happy, let that joy flow through your brush. If you're feeling sad, let those feelings come out in your art. It's all about the process, not the result. The act of creating is what's therapeutic, not the final product. Trust me, it's super relaxing. You'll find yourself getting lost in the colors and movements, and before you know it, you'll feel a sense of calm wash over you. If you're someone who likes a bit more structure, try painting your feelings. Sounds weird, right? But it's really powerful. Think about how you're feeling and choose colors that represent those emotions. If you're feeling happy, use bright, cheerful colors. Feeling a bit down? Maybe some blues or grays. The colors you choose can help you process and understand your emotions better. Maybe some blues or grays. Don't be afraid to mix and match colors to see what resonates with you. Just go with the flow and see where it takes you. Sometimes the most beautiful pieces come from spontaneous creativity. Another fun activity is creating a gratitude mandala. This is a wonderful way to combine mindfulness with creativity. Start by drawing a circle in the center of your paper. This circle will be the foundation of your mandala. Then, fill it with things you're grateful for. It could be people, places, or just little moments that made you smile. Think about the things that bring you joy and peace. It could be people, places, or just little moments that made you smile. As you fill in the circle, you'll start to feel a warm, fuzzy feeling inside. As you fill in the circle, you'll start to feel a warm, fuzzy feeling inside. This exercise helps you focus on the positive aspects of your life and can be incredibly uplifting. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to do this. The key is to let go of perfection and just enjoy the experience. The key is to let go of perfection and just enjoy the experience. Art therapy is about the journey, not the destination. And hey, if you end up making a mess, that's all part of the fun. Embrace the chaos and let it be a part of your creative process. Before I wrap up, here's a little tip. Play some calming music in the background. It can really set the mood and help you relax even more. Play some calming music in the background. It can really set the mood and help you relax even more. Music has a way of enhancing the creative process and making it more enjoyable. It can really set the mood and help you relax even more. I love using the free tracks from the YouTube audio library. There are so many great options to choose from. I love using the free tracks from the YouTube audio library. There are so many great options to choose from. You can find something that perfectly matches your mood and enhances your creative session. So there you have it. Art therapy at home with just paper and paint. It's a simple yet powerful way to boost your mood and express yourself. Give it a try and let me know how it goes in the comments. I'd love to hear about your experiences and see your beautiful creations. Thanks for watching and happy painting. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and let your creativity flow.